Well, as you can see, we are at the site for the construction of the Airport City project in Umueri. Here are the Chinese expatriates trying to set up their equipment. I'm told that the equipment that is being set up right now is the control center for the special drone that we shall soon see go up in the air in the next few moments as the groundwork for the construction of the Airport City project in Umueri gets finally underway. Up on the other side is the man from the National Aviation Authority, Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority. He flew in from Lagos this morning, and his name is Joshua. Joshua, you're welcome to Anambra State. Right. Would you be kind enough to just quickly tell us your mission here today?
Yeah, my mission here. First of all, my name is Omaga Joshua. As I say,
yes.
From Nigerian Civil Aviation Authority.
Okay.
I represent the directorate, which is General Aviation Directorate.
Okay.
That is the Act of NCAA.
Okay.
Who is responsible for the surveillance of any drone operation in Nigeria.
Okay.
We are here to observe and note one or two things.
Okay.
How the survey is going to be carried out.
Okay.
For the Anambra State government.
Okay.
So we'll be glad to see, and at the end of the day, what you expect to see, let's be able to perform in accordance with the regulation.
Okay.
To guide the operation of the drone in the country.
All right. Thank you, Joshua. You're welcome once again. All right. So that's a very important speed walk for the construction of the Airport City project. You, as some people may know, the drone that is about to come out of this box where people are gathered has been the bone of contention for quite a while, because the drone is a special drone. It came in into the country through the airport in Enugu, and the drone was impounded and spent quite some time in the custody of the authorities. And finally, it was released. The seizure of this drone caused quite a considerable delay in the entire process. Just one little equipment, as it were, but without its performance of its own aspect of the construction work, nothing could have taken place. So here is the drone being pulled out of the box. On my left-hand side is Engineer Sonny Okoye, the Managing Director of Orient Petroleum. Next to him is Engineer Ken Nebe of Orient Petroleum. And then, of course, the Chinese experts who will fly the drone. So it's a complete team here. And in the next few moments, we shall see how this device will shoot straight up into the skies of Umueri and span the entire stretch of the land that has been designated for the Airport City project. Once again, I welcome you. Thank you. Well, the drone is finally assembled. Maybe not completely yet, because I think the battery has yet to be installed. So the process is still on, and it's a very delicate situation. The authorities had to first certify the use of this drone, and each process is extremely time consuming. So there is absolutely no doubt that the delay caused by the seizure of this drone has eaten deep into the time frame earlier speculated as what it would take to complete the construction of the airport city project. But this is the drone finally ready for launch into the skies. I think some more components are being fitted. Is that the battery?
No, it's the camera.
Okay, that's the camera. Okay, I see.
Already
okay.
set.
Okay. Does it take photos or video?
Photo.
Photo.
Yes.
Okay. I see. So interesting.